make sure you guys don't watch me.
Logan's over here trying to watch an X-rated video.
See you next year.
Well, I should open that for you.
Yeah. Wait, you're watching me? Okay.
Should I wash my hands first?
No.
Oh my goodness. Wait a minute, I know what to do. I got it. There you go. There you go. Here.
Oh, thank you.
Now, dip it with cheese. That's really good. There. Did that open that? Here, let me open it for you.
No.
You don't want it open?
Not yet.
Why? You gonna eat it with those?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's cool. That's cool. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Look at how the phone stands up. Isn't that cool? Huh? Hello, phone. What do you know?
You guys can watch me eat now.
Okay. You're funny when you eat. You know that? You're so funny when you eat. I think I'm dripping. My nose is dripping out. Dripping out of my nose.
I'm watching you.
We need a garbage can around here someplace. Can I have your fruit snacks? Can I have one? Can I have one of those?
No. It's
Just
me.
wait.
Mine.
You just wait.
It's me.
Wait. You just wait. Till you want something from me. Then I'm gonna be mean too.
Wait, what is this?
That's to wipe your hands with after you finish. I dropped mine down there so my hands are filthy. See how filthy they are?
Yeah.
Are they filthy?
Yeah.
Can I dip them in there? Come on.
Well, your head
Let
is
me-
too filthy.
I want to dip them in your food, okay? Can I dip them in here? Boy, you're mean, you know. Oh, I know where I'll dip them. This is a good place to dip. What are you going to use that for? Are you going to dip that? Huh?
Where?
Are you going to dip those crackers in there?
Yeah.
Can I have 7 of them? 14? Can I have 14?
No.
How about
You tried to ask
27? Can I have 27 of those?
They'll take 55.
Can I have 55 of those?
Is that my Tic Tacs?
Oh, thank you. I lost mine. I'm really hungry, and Tic Tacs will make
Here,
me
you can have
full.
mine too. I
Thank you.
already took one.
Thank you. You guys are so nice. You gave me your Tic Tacs. Gary, these guys are so nice. You know that they gave me their Tic Tacs.
Oh.
Because I said I was hungry, and they said, "Here, Grandpa, have some Tic Tacs."
Want my pretzel?
Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks. think I gotta put my thing up. Oh, they don't let you hold it. They don't let you. You don't come up with the line. That's alright.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, I can't get out the aisles. They're locked in.
Okay, folks, we're going to come by with trash, and if you could do us a big favor
Oh, well.
due to limited space of trash, if you could separate the wet from the dry.
What?
When we come by, we really appreciate it.
I don't have no cheese with it. I need cheese with it.
Oh, wait.
I need cheese with it. I wish I had some cheese. I wish I had some cheese.
Oh.
I wish I had some of your cheese. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. You can eat your cheese yourself. But if there's any left, can I have some?
No.
Please. You're not even eating your cheese. You're just dipping it in and not getting no cheese.
Yeah, Logan. Oh, yeah?
Now that's some cheese there, Bubba.
Hey, I'm paused with the video.
What?
Stop the video. Rogan says no.
Brogan? What? What'd you say, Brogan?
Rogan says no.
Brogan said no? What did Logan say? What did Bogan say?
Don't call me Logan, call me Rogan.
Okay, Rogan and Logan.
Who's Logan? Not Logan.
Logan doesn't want to be called Logan anymore. He wants to be called Rogan.
Did you have liquid? Dry only? Dry only?
Dry only?
Thank you, thank you.
Excuse me?
Ma'am? Excuse me.
Thank you.
Mommy? Mommy? Is there any more pretzels? Daddy has them. Ooh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Grandpa. I want the pretzels. Who would want to see me?
Did you need that floor one? I forgot to put this in the thing.
I need to get. You like that?
Can I have it? You knocked down the phone. You can't do it. Only I can do it. Want me to show you how? Well, I can.
Thank you.
You don't even like those things. Where's the garbage lady? You got garbage in there?
No.
You sure? How about those pretzels? Are they garbage? Want me to do it?
That's right. Yeah. Come on again.
You guys got any garbage? You got any garbage in there?
Hey. Okay. This is the end of the video.